Hi and welcome to my HTML tutorial for beginners series. In this episode, we will cover the nav tag. This HTML element is used to contain a set of navigational links. These links can point to sections on the current page or to a different page. Examples of navs are menus, indexes, or table of contents. Here, for example, we can see two different navs on this clothing website, one at the top and also one on the left, which helps visitors navigate to different parts of the website. Not all links should go into a nav tag, however. Only major blocks of navigational content should. A collection of social media links in the footer at the bottom of the page should not be wrapped into a nav tag. Neither should individual links included in your content. Now let's implement a navigation together. Here I have my empty body tags. You will often see navs nested into the header tag, so that is what I will do as well. I will open the header tag and inside I will add the nav tag, which has both an opening and closing tag. Inside the nav, I will add some links. Often, to indicate that the links are part of a list, you add them in an unordered list. I will do the same, so I am adding opening and closing UL tags and then an ally tag for each link. I am adding a home, about, and contact link. For the href attribute, I will only add a £, as I do not have these documents to link to because this is just an example. If this was an actual website, you would put the path to the site you want to link to here. If I save this and we look at the result, this is how the plain HTML is rendered in the browser without any styling. This is all for the nav tag. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. In the next lesson, I will cover the main tag, so stay tuned. If you are learning or want to learn web development, consider subscribing for more front-end tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye!